The district-level inter-school athletic meet 2024 organised by the District Sports Office Nongpoh kicked off today at the NSCA Mini Stadium, Pahams im Nongpoh. Finally, L. Parriott, General Secretary, Meghalaya State Olympics Association, MSOA, graced the event as the chief guest. Speaking at the event, finally, L. Parriott said that the government and the Directorate of Sports has done a good job for the past 2 years by organising various sports activities. He further added that a scholarship of Rs 8,000 monthly for 1 year will be given to a sports person. Around 30 schools from the district participated in the event.
Heroes, Olympic heroes.
We wish all the students to take the sport seriously, because the government has come a program of giving even cash award for winning even at the Meghalaya Games. So many awards have been given by the government. There's also a new scholarship program that each athlete who have won at the zonal are getting 8,000 rupees per month for 1 year. So take this as a news for you to work hard, because if you're in school, we support you for your school to college level through this amount that you're getting. So athletics is the mother of all sports. It's not hard to practice. It's not like football, which you have to learn 11, 12. I think you need individually.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded